Wakey wakey. Today we are going to Trakai National Park. It's like half an hour west of Vilnius and it looks stunning. And there's buses running hopefully like every 10 minutes there, but it is a Sunday so we don't know. And then tonight we have like 2 bottles of spirits to drink, 1 strong stout, and then we're gonna go out for drinks. Depending on what time we get back from National Park. The weather today actually looks quite nice, quite reasonable. There's a bit of sun, there's no snow, there's no rain. We might be alright.
Put the bottle in the bag and then open the door. Put the bottle in the bag, then we'll go down the floor. Put the bottle in the bag. We're going on an adventure. Put the bottle in the bag. There's a giraffe on the gate. And down we go. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna go out. We're gonna go and explore. We get downstairs and the door opens up. We're gonna go and strut, strut, strut. That beauty.
Where we go? We're going to a national park.
They don't look as green here, but they're literally so green.
It's a half an hour journey. We fell asleep about 5 times.
For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs.
We made it to Trakai. And it's really nice so far. It's like a small town surrounded by loads of lakes. And we're just heading to this castle. It's very Lake Bled-like. You know, it's got a big beautiful lake and then a castle in the middle. And that seems to be the only thing to do so far. But we'll keep you posted. Trakai and we have no idea what's going on, but behind us we literally just left a festival. It's almost like a Burning Man festival, I think. So much going on. Everyone's dressed up, everyone's got masks and wigs on, people are dancing and eating and drinking, and there's a big hay statue of a woman holding something in Lithuanian, but I'm not quite sure what it says, so we're going to try and figure out what's going on. But we're going to see the castle just now. Turns out it's Mardi Gras today, and Lithuania celebrate it. Who knew? We've seen like nothing going on in like Vilnius or anything, and then we got here and it's just like, it's crazy, it's mad for it. So we might have to spend the day here, hey Grace? You're in your element, aren't you?
I love a market, some live music. Castle.
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 Nice.
Yes.
It's very beautiful, isn't it? Now we're gonna go talk to each other. Port of Lithuania.
Wait, do I actually?
Yeah, and your rocks. I'll help you out if you die. Alright, see you later.
Okay, you have to do one.
Okay, yeah, see ya.
No.
history comes together as one. So we're at this market and we've just seen a stall in English that said warm beer. So we got some warm beer and it's like it stopped the fermentation process and gave it as in a glass. So this is our review of Lithuanian warm beer. Cheers.
Cheers. It's quite nice.
It is nice. It's like very watery.
You can taste the honey.
It's definitely not.
It's quite hot.
Alcoholic.
My sip wasn't very good. It is alcoholic. It's beer.
Good. Very good.
I don't know how to turn it off.
That's the red button.
Where is the red button then? Where is the red button? Ah!
Times have you used that?
It's from like Lidl. That is very yummy. When you feel the real.
So we got this from a supermarket the other day, from like a counter, and we just pointed because it looked quite good. It smells like chicken. Oh, it tastes like cherry.
How does it taste like cherry? It's chicken.
It's like cherry Coke chicken. Try some. That's so weird. Try some.
I mean my pizza thing.
Can you summarise the day, Grace? With your beer moustache? Really nice.
Really nice.
We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance.
What have we been doing? What's the plan?
We were meant to be out a while ago, and we were drinking, playing card games, but got distracted, life happens, and now neither of us are drunk, and it's 10 o'clock. So we haven't done very well.
So what are we doing now?
Going for a drink in the town centre.
Cool.
Cool. You know me begging you for mercy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want you to leave me. Yeah, got me begging you for mercy. Please release me.
So summary of the night, we started off pre-drinking, playing cards, having fun, singing, dancing, whatever.
Whatever.
And then we kind of flaked a little bit. Still went out anyway, but everywhere's shut. It's Sunday today. So we decided tomorrow instead we're going out for food, drinks, having the best time ever. But for now, it's good night. Good night, Grace.